Hi, this is Brian, and this is my short video on SCP. I'm going to show you how to transfer, I'm using SCP, a file within the same system from directory to directory, and also how to transfer to and from directory remotely. SCP has many different options, none of them which I'm going to go over now. That's a different subject for a different day. The purpose of this is to show you the very basic command of how to the syntax of transferring a file from one directory to another on the same machine in a different machine. So if you notice right now, this is one of my Solaris systems. There's a file called helloworld.txt that I created specifically for this video. Is nothing in that file, so we're just going to transfer this from my export home into my export home Brian directory. So it's very simple. It's SCP, then you type the source. In this case, the source is home. It's export, home, and then the name of the file. Case is very important in this. It's hello world exclamation point .txt. Now, since we're in the same system here, I don't need a host name or anything like that. We're just going to type the path. So I want it to go to export home Brian, and that's it. Now, if I list my export home Brian, you'll see that right there, hello world text was transferred. That's number one. The next thing we're going to do is I'm going to take this file and I am going to send it over to one of my CentOS systems that I have running here. And I'm going to send it into the directory that I'm in right now, which is my home student directory. So I'm going to transfer that hello world.txt. And if you notice right now, if I list that directory on the CentOS system, I have another file in there, hello text. That's a different file. So we're going to transfer the hello world.txt into this system. So what we're going to do is we're going to start with SCP, and then we're going to do the source. Once again, the source is /export/home/ hello world exclamation point .txt. So that was easy. Now the next thing we're going to do is we have to type in the host name of my other system. Now in this case, I am going to type in root. Actually, no, I'm sorry. I'm going to type the username SADU at the IP address of that system. In this case, the IP address of that other system is 10.0.0.222, and I'm sorry I didn't have my number lock key pressed there. And now once you type that in, very important, you need to put a colon, no spaces, and then the path of where you want this to go. So in this case, I would like it to go into the path of the directory I'm in right now. Actually, I want it to go into home/SADU. So it's going to go into home/SADU on this other system. And that's it. So I hit enter. It's going to ask me for the password for the other system. And there it is. Now, if I go back into my CentOS system and I list the home directory -SADU, there it is, hello world.txt. So that was pretty simple. Now, there is a file in this system called Unix, simply Unix. So that is in the home/SADU file. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back to the other system. Now I want to take that file and I want to, you notice it's not in this directory. So right now I'm in the export home directory. So I want to go into the other system, grab that file and bring it back over to here. So once again, it's SCP. Now the source is in the other system. So this time we have to start with SADU at 10.0.0.222 :/ the path. In this case, it's home /SADU /Unix space, and then the path where I want to put it here. In this case, I want it to go into my export home. And that's it. So that is going to take from the source, which is SADU at 10.0.0.222, and then this is the path where the file is on the remote system. This is the source, and then to the target, which is this system, export.home. It's going to once again ask me for the password, and there it is. Now if I list, you'll see right there, there's Unix. It was transferred successfully. Very simply, when you do this, it's not any mystery to this. You type the command, then you type in the source, and the source can be either in the same system you're in or a remote system, and then the target. Once again, the target could be either your system or a remote system. And that is it. SCP is very simple and easy. I know some people, including myself at the beginning, had a little trouble with it. Once I figured it out, it was very simple. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If anybody, has any questions, you can message me or put a message in the comments. Thanks.